Hi, Timothy Unkert here. In this video, I want to demonstrate the use of global variables in C. So I've included my main header file and my main function, and I'm going to create a function prototype up here. So let me go up here, and I'm going to say void, and I'm going to call the function season age, and I'm going to pass in an integer called season. Okay. Now, to use global variables, we have to declare them at the top of the document, right under a function prototype. So I'm going to declare a global integer called initial age, and I'm going to set that equal to 25. And I'm also going to declare a global integer called Sam's initial age and set that equal to 21. Okay. Now I'm going to go down to the bottom here and create the function. So I'm going to say void, then season age, and we're passing in an integer called season. And then I'm going to do two printf statements. So first one will be printf, and we'll say Dean is %D years old in season %D. And we'll give a new line character at the end of that. And I will say the first integer is going to be the season plus the initial age. So the variable we pass in plus this global variable. And then the second one is just going to be the season. Okay. And we're going to do another printf for Sam. We'll say Sam is %D years old in season %D. Do a /n there. And again, we'll do the season that we pass into this function plus Sam's initial age. And then that'll be the first integer, and then the second one will be the season because we want it to print out the season. Okay, so that's that function. And now let's go up to our main function. And we'll create in the main function, this is local to the main function, an integer called season that we can pass into the other function. And we'll do a printf, and we'll say, what season of supernatural are you interested in? And then down here, we'll do a scanf, and we'll scan in this integer. Remember, we need our ampersand and then season here. And then we'll say season age. We'll call that function, passing in the season integer. And finally, at the end of the main function, we'll return 0 as we do normally. All right, I'm going to save this, and let's now compile it. So I'm going to compile this as global _var. Okay, and now let's run it. Okay, what season of supernatural am I interested in? Let's say 6. And we can see that Dean is 31 years old in season 6. Sam is 27 years old in season 6. We can run it again. Let's say season 11. And we can see Dean is 36 years old in season 11, and Sam is 32 years old in season 11. So that's a short video on how you could use global variables. You want to try and keep your variables local if you can, but if you need to, that's how to use global variables. If you found this video interesting, please consider giving a like, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.